In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Word Online documents as Word, docx, files. When you work in Word Online, your document is automatically saved in the cloud, usually in OneDrive. That's great for access and collaboration, but sometimes you need an actual Word file saved on your own computer, maybe to send as an attachment, upload somewhere, or keep as an offline backup. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to do that, step by step, and point out a few things to watch out for along the way. First, open your document in Word Online in your web browser. Make sure the document is fully loaded and you can see your most recent edits. It's a good idea to pause for a second and confirm that the saving indicator, if you see one, has finished and the document is up to date before you download it. That way, the file you get on your computer will include all your latest changes. Next, look toward the top left corner of the screen for the main menu. Depending on which version of the interface you're using, this might appear as the word File or as a small menu button. Click on that to open the Document menu. This is where Word Online hides most of the options related to saving, exporting, and managing your file. Inside this menu, find the option that says Save As or Download a Copy. The wording can vary slightly, but you're looking for anything that suggests downloading the document. Go ahead and click that option. Word Online will then prepare a downloadable version of your document in the docx format, which is the standard format used by Microsoft Word. After a moment, your browser should either automatically start downloading the file or show a prompt asking where you want to save it. If you see a prompt, choose a folder on your computer where you'll easily find the document later, such as your desktop or documents folder, and then confirm the download. Once the download finishes, open the folder where you saved the file and double-click it to open it in the desktop version of Word or any compatible word processor. Check through the document to make sure everything looks correct and that your formatting and content are intact. That's all you need to do to download a Word Online document as a docx file. You now have a local copy you can edit offline, share, or store as a backup, while your original still stays safely in the cloud.